Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rahul Ghose here. Can all of you all confirm if you can hear my voice loud and clear? Fantastic. And please confirm for me if you can see the screen as well, guys. You should be seeing Trade Tiger on my screen currently. Fantastic. Great. How's everybody doing? Satish, I don't recollect seeing any mail from you, my friend. How's everybody doing? As usual, we don't have a full house as of now. How many people do we have? We have 82, so attendance is still very premature. We need to wait for a couple of minutes till some more people join in. Prakash, good to see you. I had sent on both IDs. Satish, has the script already played out, or can I be of help still? Shantanu, we'll just wait for a minute or two for some more people to join in. Srinivas, I haven't received your mail as well. Very strange. What was the contents of the mail, Srinivas? Okay, you missed it, Satish. That's okay, no, Satish. There's so many more opportunities. I don't know how I've missed that mail. Very strange. Lawrence, till such time, can you brief your story? Which story, Lawrence, are you talking about? Which story? Rutvik, for what time frame, Maruti, can we still hold? If you're having a little longer term view, definitely. Good evening, guys. Okay, Srinivas, I'm surprised. At least Vishal should have sent the mail to me, but unfortunately, I haven't received that. Okay, still about 107 people. I don't know why participation is so low. So what we'll do is we'll wait for 2 more minutes, friends, and then we'll go ahead and start the session. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Srinivas, I have only two IDs. One is rahul.ghosh at branch.sherkhan, and the other one is rahul.ghosh at onlinetradingacademy.com. Lawrence, my experience is long, protracted, with of course a fruitful result. Maybe some other time, Lawrence. We have limited time in this session, my friend. Can you put in the chat box with the correct spelling? I'll read it out. It's RAHUL Srinivas .GHOSE. Ghosh, that's how you pronounce my name. ठीक है, श्रीराम ट्रांसपोर्ट फाइनेंस किसी को देखना था यहाँ पे. Somebody wanted to see Shriram Transport Finance. So before we start, I miss seeing your mail. Who was it? Excellent, Krishna. Good going. Satish, you had asked for no. Since I couldn't reply to your mail, I don't know what happened to the mail. But let me have a look at Shriram Transport Finance first. What was the trade you were planning, Satish? Rutvik, I think Pro Trader is a prerequisite before doing XLT. 907 to 880, but that level is far gone, my friend. That level is gone. No, we are going to come to Nifty and Abhijit. Sun Pharma worked as per your levels given on 25th January. 25th January. Okay. The only level I remember on Sun Pharma, Abhijit, is a short around 700. Because that's the trade I had also taken. Are you talking about the same level? Somewhere around 700 the short? Yes, Namra Kumar, today is MIT. Short? Okay. We'll go to that. Satish, that level is right now gone. The level that you're talking about. You know what I would do right now if you're looking at Shriram Transport? More than a long, I would look for a short opportunity right now, my friend. Somewhere over here. This level is where I would look for a short. Yes, I would look for a short opportunity over here in Shriram Transport Finance. And make no mistake, Satish, this is a daily coinciding with your weekly, coinciding with your monthly as well. Yeah, the long opportunity we missed. I don't know how I misplaced your mail, but that's okay. We have a short opportunity in the offing. Moni, this is a monthly income session, unfortunately. So we'll be talking about monthly income trades. Yeah, let me go ahead and start the session. Please change the background color to white. Yes, the common request that comes to me. Let me change it. There you go, guys. I hope this looks better. Black is stylish. I agree with you completely, Gagan. Okay, let's start with Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, before we start with Nifty and Bank Nifty, couple of interesting points over here, and I want all of you all to pay attention over here. Uh, okay, how about now, friends? Can you hear me? नहीं शंभू जी मेरा नाम राहुल घोष है. Okay, friends, if in between it stops being audible, just wait for 2 minutes. The audio will get restored. Okay, once again, if the same thing persists, just wait for a minute or two. The audio will automatically get restored, guys. Yeah. So one thing interesting about Nifty and Bank Nifty that I want to mention to all of y'all. Again, sound problem. I don't know, guys. Can all of y'all hear me loud and clear? Okay, everybody is saying yes. So I think you guys need to check at your end. The point I'm trying to make is that if you look at the event that followed the big BJP win in the states, okay, if you look at that event, you will notice, if you were with the market, that our market was SGX Nifty had shot up 230 points on the day this had happened. Are you all aware of this, friends? Our Singapore Nifty had shot up 230 to 240 points. But our markets, first of all, opened positive by 150 points, sold off a little bit, and then ended the day around that 150 points itself. Would all of you agree with me? Yes? Now, two things you need to keep in mind, friends. One, there is a quite a tepid gap between the Singapore Nifty and our Nifty still. Yes, yes. So it did not give that 230-point range. But does this mean that we are weaker and we are looking to short the market when it's at all-time high? Can we go ahead and short the market when we are at all-time high? ऑल टाइम हाई एक बुलिश सिग्नल है फ्रेंड्स. आई रिपीट इट इन हिंदी. ऑल टाइम हाई जो अब हमने बनाया है वो एक बुलिश सिग्नल है. वी कैन नॉट लुक टू सेल एट अ बुलिश सिग्नल. We cannot look to short at a bullish signal just because there are few parameters that suggest a little bit of bearishness. Having said that, another 2 points you need to keep in mind. Buying on dips continues to be our way moving forward. Point number 2, there is no great buying opportunity in the offing. मैं हिंदी में दोहरा रहा हूं फ्रेंड्स. जब भी मार्केट नीचे आएगा तभी वी आर लुकिंग टू बाय. बाइंग ऑन डिप्स इज व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग टू डू. सेकेंडली, कोई अच्छा लेवल बाइंग के लिए नहीं है फिलहाल. इन सब कारणों की वजह से वी आर स्टेपिंग आउट ऑफ द मार्केट. Clear everybody? No, in respect to Nifty and Bank Nifty, there is going to be no trades. Yes, we are at all-time high. We didn't do as well as compared to the Singapore Nifty. But there is no, what the good word to use would be, no pressure as such in the market, guys. I'll tell you why. Because this up move has been taken up not by the mid caps. ये जो 150 point का up move हुआ, the large caps have participated. Your HDFCs, your Asian Paints, your L&Ts of the world have participated. And that is how in bull markets you will see the mid caps moving first and then only the large caps moving. And characteristic to that is what exactly is happening right now. ICICI Bank, absolutely. Yes, there is a Fed rate announcement. बट बाइंग ऑन डिप्स या जब भी गिरावट आता है खरीदने, बाइंग दोज अपॉर्चुनिटीज इज गोइंग टू बी आवर वे मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. देयर इज नो क्लियर ट्रेड ऑन निफ्टी एज वेल एज बैंक निफ्टी फ्रेंड्स. देयर इज नो ट्रेड विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी. एवरीबडी क्लियर गाइज? Yes. Having said that, there are a couple of stock specific options, okay, which we would be discussing. 4 trades I would be discussing with you with respect to monthly income. Yes, sir, your view about Biocon. Yes, Moni, will come to Biocon, not to worry. But before we come into any of the stock specific movement, I do understand last time around we had a session on theory. But last couple of sessions, anything that has triggered, friends? कुछ ट्रिगर हुआ है क्या अपने पहले वाले सेशंस में से? मारुति ट्रिगर्ड, सन फार्मा ट्रिगर्ड, ओके, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा ट्रिगर्ड, कोटक ट्रिगर्ड. Do you feel that the market is manipulated by domestic funds pumping provident fund and hardly presence of FII? Mevin, you know, there are times when the FIIs have higher positions, there are times when DIIs have higher positions. But the entire market movement are only controlled by these people who have the power of money. Okay, let's start, guys. Maruti, what was the level we had discussed? Can somebody help me out with the level? Let's have a look at Maruti MRUI. Maruti 5822. Okay, guys, what was it on the daily chart, weekly chart? You'll have to help me out with the time frame, my friends. Sun Pharma we discussed. We'll discuss all the levels, not to worry. Daily pay 5822, is it? We have call in call watch. Okay, ignite, call watch. Maruti. Absolutely. What a lovely move, guys. What a lovely move. All of you would have to agree with me. We are in the money by what? Let's check quickly. We are in the money by... We are at about 0.9:1 in the money by 300 rupees. And look at the feather touch and the move that has happened from this level, guys. 5822, we wanted an entry. We got a feather touch and we got skyrocketing 300 points one day after another day after another day. Great going, guys. Great going. What was the next trade? Bank of Baroda, Khyati says. Let's go to Bank of Baroda. What was my entry, Khyati? If my memory serves me right, it was at this daily level over here. Am I correct? Yes, and if I'm correct, we've gotten an entry over here. And the stock has skyrocketed from that level, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a feather touch. If my entry is correct, I was over here, so we've got a beautiful entry, and the stock has absolutely skyrocketed from that place. Fantastic. NTPC, let's have a look at NTPC. I think 240 minute पे हमारा entry था, if I am correct. Yeah, we are having a look at NTPC. 90 days. NTPC has hit our stop loss, guys. Absolutely. NTPC, if you look over here, gave us a small little bounce, but then again, prices hit our stop loss. So one loss in NTPC. Yes. What about the next one, guys? What else? Sun Pharma, what was the level? Sun Pharma, what was my level? Can anybody? Nobody remembers the Sun Pharma level? I'm waiting for you guys. Abhijit says 700. Abhijit, which time frame was it in? If my memory serves me right, it was 725 in the call watch. I don't remember putting Sun Pharma in the call watch. Let's check. No. 240 is it? Okay, let's go to the 240. What was my entry price? Can somebody tell me? Okay, we had a supply over here. Entry was at 700. Did we get an entry, friends? Did we get an entry? Yes, no? Absolutely. And price from our first level crashed below. And what kind of move did we get from the first level? Let's see. That's okay if you're not able to short it in futures. No worries. Let's see till where did prices go. As of now, prices have given us about a 1:1, and we are still in this trade, friends. We are still very much in this trade. Fantastic. What else, guys? What else? और कौन सा entry मिला हमें? No, Satish, you can't trade Sun Pharma in cash. Sun Pharma has to be done in futures only. HPCL, Satish says, Hind Petro. Long or a short, Satish? Long or a short? At the daily level over here? आरपी सिंह जी, वो लास्ट टाइम ही डिस्कस कर लिए थे हम. 497. So did we take the daily level or weekly level? And did we get an entry? Daily. Okay, what was my entry price? This made a low of 501. What was my entry price? Can somebody tell me? Satish, you took it at 502. Okay, fantastic. If the entry is at 502, we've gotten an entry, guys. Is that the same entry that I had given Satish, 502? Fantastic. So Apollo, Hind Petro also, I think Hind Petro gave us a good move, guys. It went all the way till 530. So an entry at 502 gives us almost a 6% move in 4 days. So great going with respect to Hind Petro. Apollo Tires, we have not got an entry. Samba, we had discussed that the last time. Apollo Tires, we hadn't gotten an entry if I am correct. We got today. Okay, you're talking about the short level in Apollo Tires. Let's quickly have a look. Yes, I remember this 30-minute level over here. Let me mark that correctly. Okay, I don't know why I'm not able to mark it correctly. But prices, what was my stop loss? What was my stop loss with respect to this level? Can anybody tell me the Apollo Tire stop loss? 165, 196.45. So 196.45. Okay, somebody saying 198. Somebody saying 196.45. How can there be 4 stop losses, friends? What was my actual stop loss? Yes, Satish. It was coinciding. No, I wouldn't have given a 10% of DATR stop loss. I would have given a different stop loss. And if my daily level is like this, I would have been a little bit aggressive with respect to my stop loss. I would have actually kept my stop loss a little bit higher. 1898.6 Abhijit says. Therefore, we are still in the trade, guys. We are still in the trade. So to summarize, Maruti, we are making excellent amount of money. You guys are forgetting one more stock, guys. Asian Paints, we are still in the trade, yes or no? And what level did we enter Asian Paints in, friends? Asian Paints, our entry was at 900 rupees. We are 165 rupees in the money. And that is the kind of money we're looking to make, guys. The big moves. And I haven't even booked partial profits with respect to Asian Paints. So we are making money in Asian Paints. We are making money in Maruti. We are making money in Bank of Baroda. We are making money in Hindustan Petroleum. We got stopped out in NTPC and Tata Motors as well. Mervyn, you're absolutely right. We are about 35 rupees in the money in Tata Motors. And Apollo Tires, currently we are in the trade. Again, I come back to the same question, my friends. The same question I've been asking you week after week in our monthly income session. What is that question, guys? If our winners are much greater than our losers, if our winners give us moves like the one that you're seeing on my screen as we speak, the question arises, and the same question I'm going to ask all of you all, friends. Have I done anything different? The same question I ask you all every single time. Have I done anything different from that you all don't know already? LIC Finance has just got it triggered. Fantastic, Nayan. Is it rocket science? Is it difficult? Can you tell me that नहीं राहुल आपको कुछ पता है हमें नहीं पता है इसलिए you're able to make money, we are not? Then that's it, guys. It's only about following your rules. It's about getting less trades, doesn't matter, but getting the right ones. That's the only difference, guys. That's the only difference. That's the takeaway I want you all to take from every session. I don't want you all to focus on the calls blindly. I don't want you all to focus on Rahul कहाँ पे buy दिया है, कहाँ पे stop loss दिया है. I want you to focus that you should be able to do it on your own. and not be dependent on absolutely anybody. Am I making myself clear, friends? Yes, no, give me a yes if you're agreeing with me. Give me a no if you disagree with me. Fantastic, guys. So let's go ahead with today's session. A couple of stocks that I want to discuss with you. First one is Wipro. I want you all to turn your attention towards my screen. Wipro, I am looking for a buy opportunity, guys. Okay. Now, Wipro, I have one level over here. I have a drop pace rally, and I have another level right below it. Okay. I have a level over level in Wipro. Now, ये वाला level जो है मेरा daily level over level, I believe coincides with my monthly level as well, and I believe Wipro is looking good, guys. Yeah, what I'm planning to do is use the tranche theory, that is, let me change this color to black. Okay, buy over here at about 490 rupees, buy in two tranches with a stop loss of 468. हाँ आरपी सिंह जी बिल्कुल, and look for a target of 2:1, guys. Look for a target of 2:1. Clear with respect to Wipro? क्या सब मुझ Wipro को समझ लिए? Shall I move on to the next one? We are new. Okay, Hitat. Okay, how many people are new in this session? Can anybody tell me? कितने लोगों के लिए ये पहला या दूसरा या तीसरा सेशन ही है? एक yes बोलिएगा अगर if this is true. If this is the first, second or the third session. Okay, a lot of new people today. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself formally. My name is Rahul Ghose. I generally take time out for doing the monthly income sessions, which happen twice a month, and I will try and go a little slowly. Okay, and any questions, Madhukar? Okay, from the February batch. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Unfortunately, I'm not able to give you a bigger backdrop about myself because the session is only for about an hour 15 minutes. So you can Google my name, you can ask your peers. I'm sure they would be happy to help you out about everything you need to know about me. This is Wipro. Tranche theory, for those of you who don't know, let me explain. I buy 50% in quantity in level number 1, and I buy 50% in level number 2, thereby bringing my average entry price down. That is what is called as tranche theory. Dhatri, you'll just repeat your question, my friend. Hitarth, when prices come to the first level, अगर आप 100 शेयर खरीदना चाहते हैं, if you want to buy 100 shares, buy only 50. And when you buy the second level, when it comes to the second level, you buy another 50% quantity. This is called level over level or the tranche theory. Do you get it, Hitarth, my friend? In futures, no. If you're going long, I would suggest doing it in cash. Monthly income के लिए 2000 risk would be a little small, Gagan, unless your capital is 1 lakh or little less than 1 lakh. Yes, Vishal, unfortunately, you'll have to do it that way. Then you need to find out your position size, Gagan, and then do it accordingly. There was a gentleman, I think, who had said their question was not answered. Can the gentleman please repeat their question? I think his name was Dhatri. Dhatri, can you please repeat your question? No, Satish, I disagree, my friend. Futures में थोड़ा challenge हो जाता है, but otherwise you can do it. Short is where it becomes a challenge, Satish. Yeah, I haven't waiting for the question. Dhatarthi, is there any opposing supply zone? Yes, there is an opposing supply zone here at 515. But the important point is that we are low on the curve currently because this is my monthly demand zone. You are taking 30 minutes some time taking body to week. Datarthi, for daily income trades, no, if I don't find a good level on the 15-minute, I sometimes take a trade on the 30-minute. If I don't get it in the 15-minute, only then do I look at one time frame higher. Oracle does not trade in India, Madhukar. Rutvik, we'll have a look at ACC. Is everybody clear? It is confusing. Okay, so Dhatarthi, if you're a daily income trader, you're talking about Oracle Finance Solutions, OFSS. Okay, okay, okay. Rahul sir, if the dollar is falling, then IT stocks will go down. So do we need to consider that for Wipro? Abhijit, absolutely you need to consider that. But let me give all of you all a small example of the wonder that the stock market is. Okay, and I want all of you to pay attention. I'm little bit digressing. Is everybody okay with that? I'm just going to take 2 minutes and digress a little bit. I hope everybody is okay with this. I don't want to waste time, but I think this is important to know. Okay, when the whole demonetization issue happened, okay, and this is for all of you all, when the whole demonetization issue happened, the first 2 days, November 8th or November 9th, the demonetization issue happened. Dhatatri says when we need, so Dhatatri, okay, let me answer your question. For a daily income trader, Dhatatri, what is your time frames? What is your location time frame, intermediate time frame, and zoning time frame? What are the 3 time frames? Dhatatri, yeah, all the 3, daily, 60 and 15, would you agree? Yes, but sometimes I might not find a good looking level on the 15-minute. बिल्कुल नम्र कुमार, वही राहुल घोष हूं मैं. Dhatatri, अगर 15 मिनट पे, if in 15-minute chart you do not see a good level, then you can go to the 30-minute assuming there is a good level there. I'm suggesting you to go one time frame higher if there is no good level. Are you following me, my friend? Yeah. So I was telling all of you all something. I was telling you all that when the demonetization issue happened on November 8th or November 9th, are all of you all familiar, for those of you who are with the market, that the bank nifty skyrocketed the next 2-3 days? Are you all aware of that? Bank nifty actually skyrocketed the next 2 days. If you look at the news channels, they had said that banks are getting cheap capital, XYZ MNOP. They came up with 50 reasons on why it is positive for the banks. 3 days after that, and for the next 2 months, bank nifty crashed like there is no tomorrow. Are you all aware of that as well? After that 3 days or 2 महीने उसके बाद, till about December end, bank nifty crashed like there is no tomorrow. And that time you saw everybody saying banks has this problem, there is NPA, XYZ MNOP. They came up with 50 reasons why it is justified. अब आप नोटिस करेंगे, अगर आप बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट नोटिस कीजिए. Let me open bank nifty for you. Okay, now this is where the crash had happened. This is the up move that happened, guys, with these 2 big candles. Can you see? That is November 8th and November 9th. These are the 2 days where everything was positive and gung-ho. Because demonetization happened, then something went wrong, and then it crashed the next 2 months, and there is suddenly some big problem with the bank. This 2 months, this, let me mark that correctly for you guys. यहाँ पे देखिए. Let me change the color. Black. The next 2 months it crashed because something went wrong. Next 2 महीने बैंक निफ्टी क्रैश किया क्योंकि बैंक्स में इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम थे. Conveniently till 30th December problems थे बैंक में, फिर जनवरी 1 से सब प्रॉब्लम चला गया और बैंक निफ्टी ने ऑल टाइम हाई बनाया. In a matter of 3 months, you went from a gloom and doom situation to banks doing phenomenally well to again a gloom and doom situation, and again the banks doing phenomenally well. In a matter of 3 months, friends. What does this tell you? The news holds relevance, or the market makers or the people with the power of money hold relevance? क्या लग रहा है आपको? 3 महीने का टाइम है. पहले तो 2 दिन 1000 पॉइंट ऊपर गया, उसके बाद 1 महीने या 2 महीने 2000 पॉइंट नीचे गया, और फिर 2 महीने 3000 पॉइंट ऊपर गया फिर से. You will notice that people went from saying that banks have NPA issues to the very next week people saying that NPA issues are actually becoming better. I mean, NPA issue, let me tell you, is a problem to do with larger time frame. सालों लगते हैं. But in 10 days, it went from no NPA to NPA, and from NPA to no NPA again, or reduced NPA, if that's the term used nowadays. So even though that you have a supply, so the point I'm trying to make is, yes, it is very relevant that if the dollar moves down, IT companies' revenue is impacted, it will move down. But your zones form the gospel, guys. Your zones, your location is what needs to be addressed. I hope all of you understood what I was trying to say, friends. क्या आपको समझ में आया मैं क्या बताना चाह रहा था? Absolutely, Gurudev. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, let's move on, guys. I finished Wipro. The next level is I want to show you is VEDL. Funny, I'll come to that. Not to worry, my friend. VEDL, if you notice, I have a monthly demand zone over here. Okay, I have a rally base rally in VEDL, and I have this level over here on the weekly. Okay, I'm looking to enter at this level at 222 with a stop loss over here at 202.65, friends. This is a monthly income long I'm planning in VEDL, friends. Clear? Target is going to be 2:1. Partial profits at 1.5, Satish, and full profits at 2:1. Depends on the size of the candle, Dhatri, whether I'm taking wick to wick or body to wick. But majority of the time you will notice that I'm a wick to wick trader, my friend. Yes, execution in this case is a weekly chart, because on my daily chart I don't have a great level. Again, Dhatri, what is confusing? What is confusing, my friend? Yes, it is a prudent practice. आरपी सिंह जी बिल्कुल करूंगा. आई एम जस्ट वेकिंग. व्हाट इज कंफ्यूजिंग? धत्री, टेक ओनली बॉडी टू विक, देन डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. सिर्फ बॉडी टू विक ही ट्रेड कीजिए. रिमूव द एम्बिग्विटी. Rajesh, is there any other strategy for stop loss for investment stocks? Rajesh, generally any professional trader, apart from having stop losses, would hedge his investments. Like for example, my portfolio, I hedge through options whenever there is a big event in the offing. In the demand zone that is marked, there is a basing candle and two red candles. No, Ravindranath, this is the different time frame. I have marked this zone on the weekly over here. This is how the demand zone looks like. Drop, base, rally. Venkatesh Varlu, I look at arrival only in the trending time frame or in the intermediate time frame. Gagan, unfortunately, that is not in my hand, my friend. Why not 204 and 196? What 204, 196? I didn't get you. Exactly. Now you're understanding, Dattatri. Exactly. No, Srinivas. But any help, you can always get in touch with me, my friend. Just drop me a mail. If there is no zone on the execution time frame, Aman, if there is no zone on the lower time frame as well, then what do you do? So the demand zone at 204 is already tested over here. In fact, we were in a trade over here and we've made money in this zone already. Target is going to be 2:1. Entry price is not clear. Entry is going to be at 222. Change black. 222 per entry. Kunda, my mail ID, okay, for the benefit of everybody, I will just type in my mail ID, rahul.ghosh at branch.sherkhan.com. Guys, I've said this before also. If any of you want to keep in touch with me, you can always find me on LinkedIn. Did all of you all get my ID? Did all of you get my ID? Yeah, okay, great. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Rahul Ghose, and you will find me on LinkedIn as well. Okay. Okay, that was VEDL. Is everybody clear with VEDL? Shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next one, friends? नए लोग क्या आपको VEDL का ट्रेड समझ में आ गया है? Okay, great. Next one is Tata Motors, friends. Now, let me make a disclaimer here, friends. The Tata Motors trade is an aggressive trade. I'm repeating for all of y'all, the Tata Motors trade is an aggressive trade. The location is not great. If it doesn't fit in your rules, please do not take it. I'm talking about a short in Tata Motors. Okay, I want y'all to book profits in Tata Motors at about 502, 505. वहां पे हम प्रॉफिट बुक करने वाले हैं टाटा मोटर्स पे, क्योंकि दो अच्छे लेवल्स आ रहे हैं. Yeah, this level is not in great location. I'm repeating, friends. So this is only for aggressive traders. Level over level in Tata Motors. Yeah. Okay, it's already 9:45, guys. So I'll stop with my trades. Yes, Rutvik, you can do. Let me stop with my trades and let's go on to your trades, guys. Coal India monthly and weekly demand zone. Can you check? Samba, let's have a look at Coal India. I understand you all want me to give you some more trades, but we need to be fair to everybody. So many people would have their own trades planned. We need to adhere to them as well. Okay, this is the level you're looking for in Coal India, is it? The location is not very great. It's an okay trade, my friend. You know, I don't like the structure of the level so much. I'll tell you why, because generally I like taking levels that have two candles in the leg out. Yeah. Funny, IDFC, where have you planned? Monthly, Aman. IDFC, where have you planned? हर्षित, मेरे कॉल्स उतने इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, आपके स्टॉक्स डिस्कस करना और इम्पोर्टेंट है ना. Guys, please slow down with your questions, and I don't see any great level in IDFC, to be honest with you. I don't see any great level. Ravi, you've taken it at 278, is it? Tata Motor DVR. Ravi, that's a good looking level, my friend. You can hold on at least till 315. You can hold on 310 to definitely you can hold on. Satish, KSCL at 498 on which time frame? I am on the daily. The 498 level is okay. I'm not a big fan. I would be a bigger fan of the lower level, my friend. That is this one over here. Let me just mark that carefully. Yeah, this one. I would be a fan of this level. Monica, I told you there is a VEDL opportunity on the 240 as well. Vikash, NMDC long on the weekly time frame at 125. Let's have a look at that. NMDC. Oh, that's a lovely looking level, Vikas. That's a lovely looking level, my friend. You can definitely take that. You can definitely take that. Yeah, Vikas. Ultratech Pragati. Ultratech had a lovely level over here on the weekly. Ultratech, there is a nice looking level, guys. Okay, you can take this daily level also on Ultratech. डेली लेवल ले सकते हैं, वीकली लेवल भी ले सकते हैं. अल्ट्राटेक अगर आप 120 या 240 पे जाएंगे, इसके अंदर भी आपको एक लेवल ओवर लेवल मिलेगा. सो अल्ट्राटेक इज एक्चुअली लुकिंग गुड. How about shorting? Why would you want to short a stock that is at entering close to 52-week high? That supply level is already tested, my friend. Ambuja. For long perspective, Ambuja has nothing great. Rain Industries long at 96. $96.5. No, I generally like levels that have two candles in the leg out. Hindalco 240-minute long. Again, no two candles in the leg out with respect to Hindalco. No, no. Rahul, HDFC Bank. Somebody else also was asking about HDFC Bank. Rameshwar is wants Reliance. Abhijit, that's all with respect to my trades, my friend. Because we need to give time to people who have doubts also. I hope you understand, Abhijit. No, HDFC Bank, nothing great in the offing. Yeah, ITC and Reliance, is it? No, ITC close to current market price. Nothing looks great. Bini, there is a 240-minute level on VEDL. Have a look at it. Yes, Satish, I've been traveling, so that's how I've caught the cough and the cold. My apologies for it. No, ITC, nothing that looks great right now. Reliance, let's have a look. To be honest with you, Reliance, I expect it to come down by about 30-40 rupees. I would wait a little bit in Reliance. Samba, Ashok Leyland, if my memory serves me right, I had given this trade. This was the trade the last time I had given. And this trade still holds good, Samba. A short at 98 odd. Otherwise, before that, I wouldn't short Ashok Leyland right now. Dabur 240-minute long. 93.5. No, I wouldn't short it right now at that price. Again, you're talking about the 265 level. 265. It's an okay level. It's an okay level actually. Yeah, you can go ahead with that level, my friend. You know how you would play this? You would enter over here at 266.10 and keep your stop loss over here at 263.25 on Dabur. Arvind, that's a good looking level. I know the one you're talking about, Ravindranath. Madhukar, OFSS. No, but OFSS doesn't have a great level, Madhukar. You see one candle in the leg out. Yeah, so no great looking level, my friend. I generally, you've seen the structure of the levels I use, no? Satish, my friend, just trying to give everybody a chance. Manoj, what was your question? TBZ weekly income long at 63. We don't generally discuss weekly, but anyway, let's have a look. TBZ weekly long on which time frame, Manoj? On which time frame? Gagan, nothing like that. It's coinciding, which is powerful. 90 days, 60 minutes. No, my friend, I come back to the same point. I like levels which have two candles in the leg out. Friends, please slow down with your questions. Federal Bank daily chart. No great level close.